today?
Today's Monday.
Oh, it's Thursday. I mean, tomorrow. Do you guys have anything tomorrow?
Tuesday?
We can't do Tuesday.
Why?
Hackle meeting?
Oh. Oh yeah, what am I? I'm dumb. Never mind. Nothing works then. I forgot about my cab meeting. Holy shit. What if I booked it? Would I even remember?
Mm-hmm. There we go, Tao. Look how happy she is. I'm just kidding.
Oh, who's that? Who's got it? A little bit late. Sorry, I'm like, no, I'm sorry.
Tao, you lost it.
Please don't mind me talking and critiquing. Okay. Do we raise our arms when we do the spin?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Perfect. Yay.